As a kid, I watched a lot of science shows. So there was a very famous science show in Italy. And I always remember that I saw a picture of a tobacco plant which was glowing. So this was actually in the 80s, and it was a tobacco plant in which they had inserted the luciferase genes from the firefly, and as a result, it glows. So I became interested in biotechnology. So when I went at university, I studied biotechnology, industrial biotechnology. The marine environment is quite large, and also it's quite unexplored, and there are different extreme environments which we don't know nothing about. And the bacteria that live in this environment, they've adapted several mechanisms to survive and thrive in these environments, and those are things that we can exploit for our own application. We are targeting specific kind of molecules. A good example is we are looking for molecules that are able to absorb UV light. This is because marine bacteria, especially the bacteria that live at the surface of the sea, they experience intensive UV light continuously. So to survive, they have developed several molecules that can absorb UV light. And we can identify these molecules, try to produce these molecules, and they can be ingredient in sunscreen. So we can replace the current ingredient in sunscreen with compounds that are biodegradable, and so making everything more sustainable also for the environment. So the truth is, we know very low about the ocean in general. So it's like an example that also they made. It's like we have mapped all the surface of the moon, and I think of Mars. We have not mapped the surface, the bottom of our oceans. So there are technical problems of it, but it's like the ocean is really something that we have not fully explored, like we have not explored at all.